Okay guys, so this area right here, kind of hard to see, but you can see there's wet carpet. It comes all the way out to here. You can kind of see the staining line, and it kind of comes back in. So you're going to take that out. You're going to flood cut this wall from that corner all the way around this corner. You can see where the carpet was with there, which lines up with this corner right here. So you're going to stop at this corner right here. You're going to clean and disinfect inside of this. You need to get a discovery of mold growth form signed. There's some mold growth right there, which this is going to be exposed on the other side here. I'll speak loudly because there's equipment here, but you're going to have to move this furniture away from the wall, because this is the back of that furnace room. You're going to have to flood cut that wall all the way to that corner. That's it.